55 species in genus Gynura. Gynura, a purple passion. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant colors and unique textures of the natural world. One genus of plants that has particularly captured my attention is Gynura. With its velvety purple foliage and intriguing orange flowers, Gynura is a true standout in the plant kingdom. Discovering the beauty of Gynura. I first encountered Gynura while browsing a local nursery. Nestled amongst the more common houseplants, a pot of Gynura aurantiaca, or purple passion, immediately caught my eye. The deep purple hue of its leaves, almost iridescent in the sunlight, was unlike anything I had ever seen before. I was instantly smitten and brought the plant home with me. As I learned more about Gynura, my fascination only grew. This genus, belonging to the daisy family, Asteraceae, is native to Asia and boasts a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics. While Gynura aurantiaca is perhaps the most well-known, other species like Gynura bicolor, Okinawa spinach, and Gynura procumbens, used in traditional medicine, offer both beauty and practical uses. A closer look at Gynura species. The diversity within the Gynura genus is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of purple passion. For me, the appeal of Gynura lies in its striking beauty and ease of care. The velvety texture of the leaves, coupled with their rich purple coloration, creates a visual masterpiece. The vibrant orange flowers, though not always present, add an extra touch of charm. Caring for Gynura is relatively straightforward. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer well-draining soil. They are also relatively tolerant of drought conditions, making them a good choice for those who tend to forget to water their plants regularly. Gynura in my life. Since that first encounter at the nursery, Gynura has become a staple in my plant collection. I currently have several pots of Gynura aurantiaca gracing my windowsills, their vibrant purple foliage adding a touch of elegance to my home. I've also experimented with growing Gynura bicolor, enjoying its unique flavor in salads and stir-fries. Beyond its aesthetic and culinary appeal, Gynura has also sparked my curiosity about the broader world of plants. It has led me to explore other fascinating genera and delve deeper into the science of botany. A continuing journey of discovery. My journey with Gynura is far from over. I'm eager to learn more about the lesser-known species and explore their potential uses. I'm also excited to share my passion for this remarkable genus with others, encouraging them to discover the beauty and wonder of Gynura for themselves. In the world of plants, Gynura stands out as a true gem. Its vibrant colors, unique textures, and diverse array of species make it a captivating subject for any plant enthusiast. Whether you're drawn to its aesthetic appeal, its culinary potential, or its medicinal properties, Gynura is sure to leave a lasting impression.